Well, this old room, located in a home that was built in the 1900s on Butte's Upper West Side, once belonged to a very famous female author named Mary MacLane, and it's slowly getting restored back to its old self.
It's important that we not just sort of let evidence of what she experienced fade away.
Bill MacGregor is a retired tech professor and owner of the Mary MacLane house. He scooped up the property in 2006 when it was on the brink of demolition.
We would have lost something. Because, I mean, if you look out the window here, you can really imagine Butte at the time. There's enough left here of the little houses that she writes about, the mine yards. They're just right here. And from her window, it brings it back.
Mary MacLane's life story is full of extreme highs and lows, and those experiences, along with her surroundings in the turn-of-the-century mining town, informed the 19-year-old's work. Her first novel scandalized the town and even the nation, and her work was banned from the Butte Silver Bow Public Library. But the money she earned from the novel gave her a ticket to bigger cities.
She was part of what made Butte Butte. I mean, we want to talk about the Copper Kings. We want to talk about Evel Knievel. We want to talk about all sorts of notorious folks. Well, for a lot of people, Mary MacLane is about as notorious as they get.
With the help of grant funding from the Butte Citizens for Preservation and the Superfund Advisory and Redevelopment Trust Authority, or SARTA, Bill continues his preservation work. In Butte, Megan Thompson, MTN News.